easy after glow. You're strong enough to light this fire, fire back in us. Whoa. Mixed emotions, hearts still open, though we're far apart. I get this feeling, I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. I get this feeling, I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. Are you wide awake, counting the stars?
Okay guys, if you like this choreography, this is an example of a custom choreography. We have two options on our website, ballroom.com. You can go ahead there and check it out. So if you wanted to learn something for yourself, you can learn something to your own song and with your own choices, okay? Also, this choreography is now available for sale for purchase. If you wanted to learn this step by step, just like you see here in the video, we'll send that over to you on our website, ballroom.com. Bye guys.